What if you could edit a video just by talking to it? No timeline, no cutting, no complicated software. You just say what you want changed, and it changes. That sounds fake, but it's not. And most people have no idea this is already live right now. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So let's get into what this actually is. It's called Gemini Omni Flash, and it's Google's new model for making and editing video. Google first showed this off back in May at their big I/O event, but on June 30th, they actually opened it up to developers through the Gemini API and Google AI Studio. It's also live inside the Gemini app and Google Flow, and it's rolling out for free on YouTube Shorts and the YouTube Create app. So this isn't some far off announcement, this is something you can actually go use right now. Here's what makes it different from basically every other AI video tool out there. Most AI video tools work like a slot machine. You write one big prompt, you hit go, and you just pray it comes out, right? If you don't like the result, you start completely over from scratch. OmniFlash doesn't work like that at all. You talk to it, it makes a video, and then you say something like change the lighting, or make that object invisible, or put a hat on that person, and it just does it. And here's the part that actually matters. It remembers everything from before. Your characters stay the same, the scene stays the same, only the thing you actually asked for changes. Google showed this off in a pretty clever way too. They shared a clip of someone doing digital magic tricks, pulling a 3D word right out of her phone, pouring water from the phone screen into a real glass, and in the corner, there's a small original clip showing how she actually filmed it before any of the effects were added. So you get to see the before and the after side by side. That's a smart way to prove this isn't just some filter slapped on top. The model actually understands what's happening inside the video. Now, let me break down what OmniFlash can really do in plain English. First, conversational editing, that's the big one. You edit by chatting with it. You describe the change, and it keeps everything you didn't mention exactly the same. Second, it's multimodal, which just means you can mix your inputs. You can give it text, an image, and a video all at once, and it blends them into one clip. So you could take a photo, describe a motion, and it brings that photo to life. Third, it's grounded in real-world knowledge, and this is actually the sneaky, powerful part. Omni pulls from Gemini's understanding of history, science, and how the real world actually works. So if you ask it for an explainer video of how something works, it doesn't just make something that looks nice, it actually knows what the thing is and shows it correctly. And fourth, it syncs text and action, so you can have words appear on screen exactly when something happens in the video just by asking for it. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Let me make that first point, the conversational editing, a bit more real because it's the piece that actually changes everything. Every instruction builds on the last one. So you might start with a clip, then say dim the lights in the room, and it does that. Then you say make the object out of bubbles, and it does that too without touching anything else you didn't mention. The characters stay consistent, the physics still hold up, the scene remembers what came before. You can change one tiny detail, or you can change the entire world inside the shot, all just by describing it out loud. That's a completely different way of working compared to what we're used to with AI video. One honest heads up though, right now you can't use it to change what a person is actually saying, their voice, or their speech. Google has kept that part switched off for now while they figure out how to do it safely. So don't go in expecting to rewrite someone's words yet, but for changing what things look like, how they move, and what's happening in the scene, This is genuinely the most flexible tool I've come across. Now, let's talk about how this actually works under the hood, because that's where it gets interesting. The editing runs on something Google calls the Interactions API. In plain terms, that's what lets the model hold a conversation and remember your video from one step to the next. Right now, you can stack up to 3 edits in a row before it starts to lose the thread. So you have to plan your changes in small, clear steps instead of trying to do everything at once. You can make videos in a wide landscape format or in tall vertical format, which is perfect for shorts and reels, and each clip is about 10 seconds long for now, though Google says longer ones are coming. Google also priced this to match one of their faster VO video models, so it's clearly built for people who want to make a lot of content without some huge expensive setup behind them. They released a few demo apps too. One drops you in front of famous landmarks from a selfie and animates it. Another reimagines a whole room from a single photo and shows the new design in motion. And a third turns a plain product photo into a polished cinematic video. Same core idea every time, start with an image, end with a video in just a few clicks. And there's actually a second tool that pairs perfectly with this one. It's called Nano Banana 2 Lite. It's Google's fastest, most cost-efficient image model in the Nano Banana family, and it spits out an image from text in about 4 seconds while still keeping your text readable and your characters consistent. The reason it matters here is the combo. You use Nano Banana 2 Lite to make an image fast. Then you hand that image straight to Omni Flash and turn it into a video. Image to video back to back really quickly. That's actually the exact workflow those demo apps were built on, and it's live right now in Google AI Studio, the Gemini API AI mode in search, the Gemini app, and a bunch of other Google products. So it's easy to get your hands on. So who actually needs this? If you make short videos, this is huge. You can go from an idea to a finished clip in minutes instead of hours. If you teach or explain things, that real world knowledge part means you can make explainer clips that are actually correct, not just clips that look correct. And if you're building any kind of brand or content library, the mix of fast images and fast video editing means you can make a lot of content quickly without a film crew or a pile of complicated editing software sitting behind you. The AI world moves fast, and most tools honestly come and go, but this one feels like a real shift because talking to your video instead of fighting with it changes what one single person can actually make on their own. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.